So I want to put a condition here. Only run, only run if the ideal fit status is ideal fit. So if this step will be true, then research action or research add-in will be come into action. You already know how powerful data tool Clay is for B2B outreach, and you might be using Clay formula. And if you are not using it to its full potential, then you might be using losing lots of Clay credit. So what is Clay formula? With Clay formula we can use for data formatting, data cleaning, and we can save lots of Clay credit. Yeah, we can take help in enrichment without spending a single Clay credit, and it is a completely free to use. So let's see what exactly it is. So this is formula that lets you transform, manipulate the data directly, and just like you do in Excel or Google Sheet. And it is completely free, and you can use it for data formation, manipulation, and you can use for enrichment too. However, the difference is that Clay formula are designed for real world prospecting and automation. It is like Clay version of Excel formulas, but it is supercharged for lead generation and enrichment. And for example, you need to split a full name into first or last name, and this formula does that. Want to clean up messy jobs like titles, senior software engineer into software engineer, the formula does it. Or maybe you want to create a custom sentence for each leads like, hey John Shah, you are the founder at XYZ company. You can do that dynamically with Clip formula. There are lots of things you can do with Clip formula. Just you need to think creatively, and you need to you can take help with ChatGPT, how you can create a different scenario. So you need to think analytically, you need to think creatively, and you can do lots of things just separating the first or last name. And the most three most common use cases of Clip formula is data formatting, conditional output, and conditional formula. So why it is so helpful? First, this saves you tons of time. It will save you for doing the manual cleaning up. It will help you to personalize your treasure skill, and they unlock advanced workflows like combining data from multiple sources into one clean, ready to use output. Basically, with formula, you Clay formula, you can use uh, raw messy data into sales ready insight. So the use cases are data cleaning, personalization, data qualification, custom scoring, and automation. Not just this, I have prepared multiple use cases. You see this in video in this chart. So the common one and the data cleaning, lead qualification, personalization, personalized copy generation, enrichment logic, time career, advanced routing automation, complex. Let me show you some practical, simple use cases of Clay formula. Here you go. So I want the first and last name separate. I want first name. So first you have to search like a formula, just search formula and use formula, and you don't have to spend any single credit, and you don't have to write a single formula. Just you need to type clearly what you want, and it will generate formula automatically. So you need to clearly, in simplest form, you need to write what you want. So I'm gonna try it. i want I want first name separate it from. So I want first name separate from the column full name, and you have to type generate formula. So it will automatically write formula for you. You don't need to go ChatGPT or any other AI tool to write the formula, and just paste here. And you can write your own formula too if you are not satisfied with its result. Then you can write your own formula, and here it will show you the preview of output. If you think it is good, then you can say output is correct, and here you go. And here you see magic happens. All the first name has been separated from the full name, and I can use directly into my campaign. I don't need to just import the data into Excel or Google Sheet to separate the first name. I can do everything here. So you need to be creative. You need to think analytically how I can use it to its maximum potential. So this is first use cases I have used. Like this is data formatting. You can see you say I have used data formatting case. Now I gonna use conditional output. So if I want, so what is the scenario here? What is the condition? So if I look at this, I want to, if the employee count, it's my scenario, maybe your scenario is different, so you have to know that what's your scenario, what's your best scenario, and what you want. You need to be clear with that. So my scenario is, if the employee count is between 20 to 50, then it will be my best ideal fit, right? So it is conditional output. And if the it will be between 20 to 50, then I will mark it as a ideal fit. Otherwise it will be. So I want to mark it as a ideal fit if the employee count is between 20 or 20 to 50. So I want, if the employee count if the employee count if the employee employee count is between if the employee count is between 20 to 50, then say if the employee count is between 20 to 15, I wanna just tag the employee count column. If the employee count is between 20 to 50, then mark, then say it as ideal fit. So this is conditional output. I have put a condition, if the employee count is between 20 to 50, then mark it as, or say it as ideal fit. So I have given the condition, and here they will generate formula for me. So you can see the preview of the output. Say here it is between 20 to 50, so it is ideal fit, and the output is correct, and here you go. So this is ideal fit. So I have shown you two use cases, like formatting data and conditional output. Now comes at conditional formula. So how we can use it? So in conditional formula, there will be two step scenario. If the first step scenario is false, then second step scenario will be not performed. Like for example, here the email ID is not present. If the for example, if the email ID is correct, then I will perform the, I want to for example, I want to research on a company, but I want to put a condition, if their email ID is valid, then do the research. So if the email ID is false, or if the email ID is invalid, then I don't want the claim formula to perform to second step, or do the enrichment action. So here I want another so I will just put condition in my scenario. I want to put the condition, if I want to research more on the company, I want to research more on the company, which companies are ideal fit for us. So I gonna put a conditional formula, like for, if I go to I want to research on a company, like uh, research legend. So here I can give the prompt, but if I put a condition here, like use AI, if, so I want to put a condition here, only run if the ideal fit status is ideal fit. So if this step will be true, then research action or research agent will be come into action. If this step is false, then research agent will not trigger and will not generate output, and it will save lots of credit on unwanted research on that is on the prospect that is not ideal fit for us. So this is how you can use the play formula, and simply here is a generate formula. It will show us yes. So these are ideal fit, then action will be performed. So this is how you can use claim formulas. So this So I have shown you all the three most common use cases: data formatting, conditional output, conditional formula. And yeah, that's it. I hope I were able to show you all the use cases or important use cases and show you the importance of clay formula. So here is the doc file. If you want this doc file that I have gathered all the use cases, how you can use clay formula creatively, and how you can think more. So you can use ChatGPT or other AI tool to get idea how I can use clay formula. And if you want to get this doc directly, just comment formula. I will send our link. And yeah, thank you so much. Hope you like this video. Bye.